When your project's current values start to stray from the baseline, you know tasks are taking longer than they should and could end up costing more than you planned. In Project, you can look at variances and other values to head off potential problems before they become reality. One way to find delays in your project is to look for tasks that should have started already, but haven't. The Should Start By filter shows tasks that should have started by the date you specify, but haven't. On the View tab, click the Filter down arrow, and then choose More Filters. In the dialog box, select Should Start By, and then click Apply. In the Start By box, type the Should Start By date, March 1st, 2011 in this example, and click OK. This filter looks for tasks without actual start dates, whose start dates are earlier than your Should Start By date. You can check with the resources assigned to these tasks to see why they haven't started yet. To remove the filter, click the Filter down arrow and choose No Filter. Now you can see all of your tasks again. Another problem is when tasks start on time and then fall behind. To find problems like these, you can look for tasks whose finish dates are later than the baseline finish. The Slipping Tasks filter finds these tasks whether they started late, are scheduled to start late, or are just taking longer than they should. On the View tab, click the Filter down arrow and choose More Filters. In the dialog box, select Slipping Tasks and click Apply. To remove the filter, go back to the Filter box and choose No Filter. On the other hand, work hours that grow beyond your estimates can lead to longer task durations and higher costs, so it's important to catch these variances early. The Work table shows work variance. On the View tab, click the Tables down arrow and then choose Work. The Work table also has the % work complete column. That's the percentage of the baseline work that's done. A positive work variance means the scheduled hours are higher than the baseline work, and that's a problem, so you should investigate what's going on with these tasks. The Slipped Late Progress filter looks for tasks that are running late, but it also checks for completed work that's less than what you planned for the date that you pick. Click the Filter arrow and choose More Filters. In the More Filters dialog box, select Slipped Late Progress and click Apply. You can see here that there are quite a few tasks that you have to investigate. The Cost table shows cost variance as well as several cost fields. Right-click the All Cells box and then choose Cost. You can see here that some tasks have positive variance and some have negative. Overall, the project is under budget by about $3,000. On the other hand, if you want to look at tasks whose scheduled cost is greater than the baseline cost, on the View tab, click the Filter down arrow and then choose More Filters. In the More Filters dialog box, select Cost Over Budget and click Apply. And you can see that there's one task here that's gone over budget. Project comes with tables and filters that help you keep an eye on task dates, work hours, and cost. By checking for values that stray from the baseline, you can spot problems easily and take corrective action.